Good evening guys, wherever you are in this world, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix sound problem on Standoff 2 game. The solution is very easy. You just have to open first the settings of your mobile phone. Click here right now at apps option and search for Standoff 2 and click. Scroll down this list, click on storage option, click clear cache. And back after that, click add for stop and click OK. Guys, go to Play Store or App Store and update Standoff 2. Restart your device after doing this, and that's it. Don't forget to like and also subscribe and bye.